This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, October the 26th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system to our east and to the west, producing some showers and thunderstorms to our east and some heavy snow over the Rockies. Otherwise, to the south, it's quiet, and to the far north and west, it's quiet. The watch warning map from around midnight, some winter storm warnings over the mountains of Colorado into Wyoming, some winter weather advisories surrounding that, some frost and freeze conditions over the Pacific Northwest. Otherwise, the rest of the nation is quiet. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days. This is due Sunday evening at 7 o'clock, and this shows that the main precipitation will be south and east of the state, where upwards of an inch to maybe 2 inches of rain are possible, while here we remain dry. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see a trough lagging back over the western part of the country where the snow will be flying, whereas here we remain partly to mostly cloudy. Clouds more over the southern and half to two-thirds of the state, with highs in the upper 40s to mid-50s, nothing like the 70s we had yesterday. Thursday, the storm is still south and east of the state. Few clouds still possible, especially over the eastern counties, otherwise clearing. Temperatures in the 50s, under partly to mostly sunny skies. Friday, same story. Partly to mostly sunny skies with highs in the 50s, after morning lows in the upper 20s to mid-30s, with dry conditions. Saturday, start off the weekend, dry, some more sunshine, highs a little bit warmer, mid-50s, maybe a few places touching 60 or maybe a few low 60s, especially across the west. Sunday, bit of a disturbance moving through, could kick off a shower across our northeastern counties. Otherwise, temperatures will remain in the 50s to near 60 degrees. Monday, same story, temperatures likely a bit warmer, maybe mid to upper 50s to lower to middle 60s, with southwesterly winds beginning to take hold, especially across the western half of the state. Tuesday, same story, southwesterly winds statewide, highs likely into the 60s by this point, with low pressure beginning to develop over the plains and upper Midwest. We head to a week from today, the 2nd of November. Trough moving in across the northern plains and northern upper Midwest, with the main jet stream in that area. And at the surface, we have a frontal system easing into the state with a few showers, maybe a clap or two of thunder, with highs generally about seasonal, 50s to around 60 degrees. We head off further into Voodoo, November the 6th, trough over the southwest, ridge developing over the Gulf of Mexico, with southwesterly flow aloft. With that, we have a low pressure developing over the plains of Colorado, with some showers in the valleys and mountain snow likely, with some rain over the central and southern plains. We head off to November the 9th, a trough over the central plain states with a vortex over the Kansas-Nebraska border, with southwesterly winds aloft and a ridge over the Gulf. The surface, it's the storm system we've been seeing on the model for a few days now, centered at this point, if this is correct, over Topeka, Kansas, with showers, storms, snow on the back side. We move ahead 12 hours, the low moves up to Chicago, 540 line crisscrossing the state. That could mean we could be in the cold enough air to get some snow, and in some cases this could be heavy if this is right, and by the evening of the 10th, the snow will be ending across the state, so we will continue to look at this if this continues to stay on future model runs. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.